Hello, today's topic of the video is double blind study and Nuremberg trials. Okay, so I'm going to discuss first double blind study, then I will discuss Nuremberg trials. Okay, first in this trial or in this case, professional study research the impact of the many treatment can only confirm after the effect of the verified by the double blind study. Okay, what is double blind study? The main point is what is a double blind study. It is a experiment where a researcher and participant means patient does not know which medicine is given or which treatment is given to the patient. So these two things are blind means researcher or physician or participant means patient does not know anything about the treatment. So this is a double blind study. And blinds a crucial aspect such a crucial aspect such as first one hypothesis, expectation, second one, and the third one allocation, then the allocation of the subject to group. Okay, this is the double blind study, and in this clinical trial neither experimental nor know in who is receiving the treatment, do not know anything. This experimental and patient do not know anything. So this is a double blind study. Why? The second question is why double blind study is doing. The main purpose of the double blind study to minimize the effect of the experimental bias to minimize. Then use to determine impact of the new drug medication or impact of the drug new medication comparison of the new medication to the older. So this is the, and then used to validate this theory validate and ideas is mainly author field first one is agriculture. This development study is used biologicals. These theories of the development theory is also using chemistry, engineering, and forensic is also using. So, example of the double blind study is double blind. We know that the identification of successful treatment is a very complex procedure. So, if consider you are that position, you prescribe the medicine to the patient. After patient taking the medicine, patient recover and report the medicine is report is successful treatment. Then, but this is not mean that this is a successful treatment because it may be effect of the placebo. So, placebo means fake treatment. This is the I will discuss in another video. It can be effect of the placebo. So, in double blind study, the experimenter who acting like a physician and they giving the medicine to the patient. They do not and third part these two things the things like a patient and doctor or physician do not know anything about the treatment or medicine. Only third party person knows the which medicine is real, which medicine is fake or real. So this is the double blind study. Types of double blind study. First one, double blind study. I have already discussed. In this, medicine is given to the patient and result comparing the old medicine. So this double blind study is doing. Then single blind study. Single means only one blind means participant in single study. Participant are do not know anything about the treatment. In that physician and the researchers know everything about the treatment. Then triple blind study in that the three things means physician, researcher, and patient do not know anything about the treatment, how it works, and how will give the treatment and how will give the effect of the medicine. So they do not know anything about the treatment. So this is a double blind study. The second part of the video is Nuremberg trial. Okay, these trials are given to the German leaders means Nazi leaders government. Okay, after this trial started when the Germany means surrender to the European country or all country in 8 May in 1945. This story started in 8 May 1945 after the Germans surrendered to the European country. So every country want to give the punishment, but every country has their own rules and they want to give their punishment. So UK want to give the punishment to like a death. Means then US also give want to punishment, but US want to give the punishment with the trials, with the given trials. So they perform a setup like a court, like all countries are taking a part of the in that trials. This is the only one star, only one trial in that all countries are come together to give the punishment to to give the punishment to the government or on government, means Nazi government. So this is one example of that trials. That then they set the one committee, means IMT committee, means International Military Tribunals, means in that all countries judges are come together, means these are panels of the judges are come and give the just give the their justice to the or give the punishment to that Nazi leaders. So in that these trials are doing for was doing for 1 year. Means these trials are ended 1 October 1946. In that 19 people are give the punishment. 19 people give the punishment. In that 3 people are guilt free, give the freedom to guilt free. Then 12 people give the death to the punishment, and 3 people give the punishment like a life in prison, and 4 people give the punishment in 10 to 20 years in a prison. So these trials are for the giving the punishment to the Nazi government. These trials are also for the Nazi doctor, which are giving the treatment Nazi industrialists, or these trials are doing so long period of time. So these trials are doing in after the Second World War. So these are the Nuremberg trials and blind study. So I have already discussed. So this is Omkar signing off for the day. Thank you.